Lucifer. They could have Lucifer on the planet. I don't fear one of them. Is it when I say European?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, man,
But you can't feel them,
I don't fear one of them.
man.
I let me know say they have one gun on my head. Me we tell them say yo, hear me. I don't
Shot.
do nothing wrong and whatever me I do, me not disturb them nor go in their lane. But in an idea I don't afraid for that, cause me I come back for them. That's
Yeah,
it.
man. You just,
I don't
I've been
fear one of
saying
them.
now, people just need to get around and we need some low people around us. We need our own community policing. We need a lot done, but I can go on and on, brother.
Yeah.
But say, when you on your own is a bit hard, and trying to get people together, it's a bit hard. But everyone have their own. If everybody takes time out now, you can get the message across. People can link up. People can stop worrying about work and all these things. So what people have to understand, the work is not as important as your own life or your kids or your family's life. So we have to determine where we want to go. Is this something where you're just going to work and wait to get killed? Or you're going to come out of work like everybody's doing and set your family? The ones that ain't got their family and can't work, go to work. It's not like anybody's at home. Some people, like the thing, I don't know if you watched that thing about the girl. They said some, where was it, Leicester or something like that.
Oh, I remember when they share that, and if you look on that page, yeah, where then, where then now, it's like you can see it, me they share upon it too, you see? Yeah, man, me share it, man. Yeah, man, me share it, cause my voice note it.
Yeah, you see how that now are fuckers. You tell people that, what would you do if it's you? Because I remember one time I said, people not hear me, they will come to your house and want to inject you, People saying, that's fabrication, that's just, speculation.
Remember when I said that, man?
Yeah, you don't know that for sure. So it's all right then. But it's all right when it's somebody else. But what if it came to your door? And look at that poor girl. She all phoned her mother, asking her mother, if I say I don't want the vaccine, am I allowed to say that? But she don't know the law, So she phoned the mother, telling the mother, to the people in the officers, health officers are outside her door with the council and police. And they want to take them to inject or test them. And she said she don't want to test them, keep your vaccine to yourself. You see, all them and then I tell her, say, boy, you have to get it, you have to get it.
Yeah.
If people were in that position, maybe that girl never really think about that like that. I never ever thought that would have come to our doorstep,
Yeah.
And have to phone her mother. And she has 2 picnics in the house. Single baby mother. You know what I'm saying? Remember I said one time,
they're not supposed to have rights if you go in at the house too, innit?
There's no rights, man. This is what I'm trying to say. People say we've got rights. Brother, the people that are controlling this thing are controlling the laws
and them
and
write
the
the
rights.
law too.
And them write the law. So think about it. We're talking about rights and they're putting more laws down about corona. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And they're putting down laws that can get us. Forget about the rights you've got. They're putting down laws so they can get us. You understand?
Yeah.
But at the same time, you're meant to have rights. So I keep saying, you put them rights. Once them have you, or they have a man in their place, whether you have rights, whether you opt in, opt out, opt whichever side you want opt, it's our documents. They can make you, they can do anything they want to do.
What they, but I never really say it in the group, yeah? I just you bring up the argument about Donald Trump. It's like a flashback, and we didn't say, no, I'm supposed to say that now, innit? So what happened now, say what they about maybe Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I get a flash with Donald Trump, innit? And when I see the flash, it's like, I see like a shadow. And being a shadow, it's like the shadow. I see him, and when I see him, it come like in turning our shadow. So darkness that, you know what I mean? I say,
okay.
maybe I just a normal flash, you know what I mean? But right now,
It's
when
so
you
easy.
tell me say Donald Trump, it's like it come like in turn. It's like
Yeah.
you see how everything add up.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, because right, so I say, why is like me get that vision and get that vision now? It's like what the vision is about. So it come like the vision what we get now is like him turn to the darkness. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I say sometimes I get vision one time wake up, Mrs. say the sun I go rise up and all of them things there. I wake up say, boy, it go be a cloudy day and all of them things. That be a wicked flash me get now, brother man. You see? Get some wicked flash man. You know, like you see like the flash them I'm gonna get, let me show you now. You know, like I'm try and look if I can remember like to explain how a flash them go. You know, like
No, I know what you mean, man. It's like a flashback.
Yeah, but this is not back. This a front. You see? Yeah, because if me in the house and next me vision the sun go rise up and thing, and it'll be a beautiful day. And a flashback that a flash front. You see? Because me not see the sun yet or not like that. Like now,
Alright.
and I like me I watch Donald Trump on TV and it's like it just flash in my head like that, you see? And I like me know him in a person or nothing like that, you know? I just know him like people know whosoever, you know what I mean? But otherwise him just come in my flash. And when he come in my flash now, it's like me see like him turning a shadow. I say, what the backside is? And at the same time I used to edit something, and when me edit it, it's like the shadow man, he was an evil man, can have a red eye and he must smoke and whatever, not you. So when me I try to figure out, me I say that graphics when me used to work with one long time, you see, but me just seem like not smoke or nothing, just like a normal shadow, you see. And it's shadow just like one time. Like me see him, as me spin my head and see him, he just and turn a shadow. You see? And next, in my interpretation, same way, me did I look say, alright. So at the shadow, at the earth, at the vibration of the negative, you know what I mean? So I just that me did that because when I get a flash on you, it open your mind, you know. But things will come to you, just like how you bring up his talk, say, oh, you know, say, boy, the brother they now push the righteous weight again, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man, for real, man. So everything always add up, you know. Yo, big brother.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man, for real, man. But you know, we're up on the righteous part, man, you know what I mean? And
man. We just need to let people know this, man, car. You see what? I think it's something you should bring up in your group still, you know, car. It's a thing where people have to wake up and really recognize. Stop following everything them are telling you. Let's just stop following what them are talking, car. Realistically, without no evidence, you can't just follow. That's sheep.
Yeah.
And you know, so they've been calling us sheep. They've been calling us sheep for how long? Yeah? There's so many professionals out there that can tell us the truth. And they've been telling us the truth. But for people to carry on following, it shows that you people don't even believe the specialists. You don't believe the government.
Yeah.
So if government tell everybody, if the government tell everybody, say, yo, to clean yourself from coronavirus, you have to jump in our River Thames, you know, all in it. You know how much people jumping in
the river Thames would have full up.
Yeah, I tell you.
It will not have no space.
Yeah, I tell you. That's just how stupid we are, like. But that's really the message I really wanted to let my brothers and sisters and my queens and my empresses really know, and my kings, get me, like, it's like, we're focused. We need to know these things.
Yeah.
Whichever
And
way,
maybe I've got try to screen record back this video live, same way, you see. Yeah, man.
yeah.
So all of them
It,
things there. And
it don't make sense. It don't make sense having the knowledge and the fundamentalism of the truth, and you're not taking it in.
Or not use it.
And you know how you use it. And to make it worse, a lot of them's got picked me. I've got a neighbor, richest girl, she has 2 boys, and you tell her, but the girl still has sent her pick me man. But she ain't got no man. She's a single baby mother. But this was, when I put the last message a while back, I said, how about the single baby mother? Because you know, say, some of them ain't got no man. And when it comes to the crunch, some of them are go work. Some of them are part-time work. That's how they sustain their family. So that part-time work from 9 o'clock when they drop the youth them till about 2:30, they need it. They need that little change. You understand? It's really hard. But again, sometimes it's not for the love of money. You see what I keep telling people? This is a test. If you love man things, which is Babylon things, a man things is Babylon things. Rightfully, they stole from us and they adapted it in a way where it belongs to them now. Yeah? And they're making us work hard if we want it.
Imagine Bob Marley do a song say something about the system and say, boy, they make the system so hard for live, you know what I mean? Or survive, something like that.
Yeah. But look at this. You know what we learned? When we say common sense, you know, there's nothing in this world a black man can't do. But they demoralize us and make us believe we can't do it. Now, I said to, I think D one time, I said, D, you know what? Yeah, think about it. Any youth, you know something, and you teach the youth, you know, say, a black man to a black people is the best teacher you could ever have. And you know, black people are more visual and musical. That's we overstand. We're not in a paperwork business, but we didn't really deal with it like that. Paperwork is man-made things. Going by the scripts, going by what someone, like this is what paperwork has got us into right now. By their datas, by their papers, by their
paperwork more than we believe in our life.
Believing on the paperwork. So that's man-made things. And again, it falls back to the script that you shouldn't follow not man-made. So if you're following the script, you're following your birthday, you're following your name, you follow all these things that Babylon has given you. You know, there's a story back in the days in the biblical terms. It says, give whatever belongs to Caesar back to Caesar. Have you ever heard that phrase?
Yeah.
You ever heard? You must have heard.
Yeah,
give whatever belongs to Caesar.
Them say, what for Caesar, give it to Caesar.
Yes. So basically, you see how everyone's eyes are opening now. Whatever you've done or you're doing with Babylon, give it straight back. And that's why I say the white people, especially, is their people, you know, and they're giving it back and staying with their family to see what are going on with this.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, it's just a thing where people just have to wise up, and if you love the picnic, take them out, man.
Yeah.
Because I'm really dreading to know. Say, think about it. Doesn't that sound sick, though, family? Where are they gonna take your picnic to, and they can't tell you? Imagine you take your youth to school one day and you can't see him again for 14 days. Imagine what that youth's going through. You got people who go mad. People go mad out here, brother. You know, ask any parent that. How would you feel not seeing your son for 14 days? Brother, the one day, beer eye water, you know. So you just imagine, what is he doing now? Are they stripping him naked? Are they looking at, what are they doing? How is he dressing? How is he doing? And they're pedo as well. That's what makes it even worse. You know?
Yeah.
What they did to my, and we as taxpayers, that are supposed to own the government have been infiltrated and been taken over now. They're now the ones listening to the
And
people being employed.
none of them government none of them is bad man, you know what I mean? Put war to them. It's like a people they run for. You know what I mean? The money they run for. None of them is no bad man.
But look at this now. People know where they might live, you know. Nobody now go outside them house and protest. That's why people should be protesting. People should be outside them house and tell them to come stand down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know you go I'm talking it this way for people to think again, like we're going to Downing Street, Trafalgar Square, and all them fucking place there. People, you know,
and
where
they have
live,
family
man.
too. They have family. For them family, they're supposed to be walking on road.
Yeah, you understand? You're meant to be pointing them out. You're meant to be, you know, telling them to stand down. Yeah, leave the cabinet because you're no good for the country or yourself. You know.
That's true.
These are the things people should really put in their mind to our boys. But it's England, you know. Everybody know where everybody there, you know. They can go to him house, camp outside of house, plaster up buildings, stay there day and night. You're protesting, brother. They've been doing that for years. But I don't see why nobody now do this now. Nobody now go outside them house and protest. We don't want him. We put him there. We don't want him. We need to stand down. All these people, all the health minister that's telling us all these rules and regulations, we don't want him. Tell him to stand down. You understand?
Yeah.
Whenever they go to the parliament, people should be outside the parliament every rascal day.
Yeah.
You see, the only problem I don't agree with the 1 day march them out going and the car. You see, none of me tell them for nothing.
Some of them are belly full. Them I look for, innit? Cause they get money.
What happened to the Brixton thing? You hear about it again? No, it's gone now. What happened to the Brixton thing? It's gone now, innit? The news come and gone. The day gone. It's forgotten about. You see what I'm trying to say, G?
Yeah.
They will have 1 day thing and Black Lives Matter. It's forgotten about. The man, you understand? That's all it is. You just march 1 day, where, and everybody goes home, and the problem still there, you know.
Yeah.
The problem it even get worse. The problem never eradicated. So what do you gain if not a couple pounds for you and your organization? Because you know, say you already planned something with the government.
Yeah.
And you got your thing. So you're all right. But the masses of people that turn up to your thing, you didn't even upgrade them and say, yo, you know, say, from that little march there, we get a little thing on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Nobody not hear nothing again. But if people stayed out there every day, believe me, results. You will see results. You will see results.
No, man, they're up on the TikTok hype, you know?
You understand? That will lock down the community. They might lock down the community anyway, so we might as well lock it down from earlier. They're going to lock it down anyway. And if they lock it down for 6 months, that means you have to stay in your house. People that live in flats and all them things there, tall flats, 13th floor, 10th floor. You have to stay in your house for 6 months.
Yeah.
And make sure you have enough food for last you for 6 months. They might talk about electric. People have to buy candles and all them things there. If you've got gas cookers, the mobile ones, buy them. Anything that you can use camping, buy them.
But you
know what? Let me tell you.
So you have to go out.
Yeah, no, but you have there's them cook. Then you have to buy a petrol cooker. You know the mobile ones where you, like back in Jamaica and Africa where you pour. Yeah, where you pour it in is like a 1 stove or a 2 stove. I mean, I have one, you know, you buy one from eBay.
Yeah.
A while back again, you know, it's a 2-hub. And all we do is pour petrol in the can, and we put it on, they come out, and we just light it, and we can cook rice in one pot and something in the next pot. Cause you know what I'm saying is, brother, all the organizations are going down. Trust me, the gas, Thames Water, electric will go down. Banks will go down. Then what? You stay in your house for how many months with no electric, no gas? And you know what the Revelation says? Well, we should pray that these things do not fall in the winter. Yeah. And these Babylon people, they want to start it in the winter. You know why? Look at how the Bible, the Revelations especially, mentions this time and exactly how it's coming. The Babylon, the demonic people that know say the worst time they could inflict these things is when it's cold. Yeah, because they say the virus moves in the cold, it can't move in the water. And you see, our Creator is very, the sun. Our Creator is very, very powerful. I ignorant things. And you know, say yesterday and today was meant to be raining non-stop, lightning and thunder. And yeah, they said on the news we're going to experience bare rain. Wales is gonna be flooding and all them things there. But you see what it is. The plans the demons have, only the Creator can change it, you know. And give us sun yesterday and give us sun today.
Yeah.
So when people say them man they can make the weather change now, maybe, you know, and then make it change, you know. Because I don't understand how the sun, for the thing they said, there's going to be enough rain.
Nah, but watch it now. Watch it now.
They say it's going to be rain for a month.
No, because guess what? Them gas up the heavens this morning, you know, could have said nothing at all, no, man. Nothing at all.
Yeah.
And you see,
this morning.
Yeah. And still they not get no rain. You see? Because the little rain will fall. You see, down here so. Or what me see. It's like, you know, make it, you know what I mean? You know, make it.
Oh.
Because remember, like what you just say, it's like flood and all of these things. Like thunderstorm and, yeah, I hardly hear anything. You see? Yeah.
They just want, they're not going to start in the winter time, because they know say everybody there in them house. So if they want to check you, they know say you're there in your house. And if there's quarantine, if everybody have to stay home again, lockdown, during the winter, it's cold. You can't go. You won't want to be on the road. You get me? If it's cold.
Yeah.
So again, there's a lot of it, and in the Revelation it says you should praise not in the winter, because it will be really difficult. But we have to go through we're going to go through a lot of mad things. That's what I tell people. Just get there, Ted. I tell you, brother, because you're my brother. And everybody else is listening. Whether you believe me or not, just to be on the safe side, don't wait for the last.com thing. And then when you see, say, people are run out of them house and then have their tents and their thing, you don't have one. You understand? Yeah. Get your little pieces, dry foods, and put down. Anything dry, peanuts, banana, anything, mango, dry, anything dry. Right now, you shouldn't even be buying food. Really, it's mostly dry stuff. Because soon all the shops are going to run out. They're going to run out. And then when they run out, they're going to bring in this ban. They're going to lock us down for probably from 3 to 6 months. Yeah? They're going to run out. So, you know what I mean? No ships ain't coming. You know what I'm saying? It's only a matter of time. When the last reserves are finished, you see, say, England fuck. And then that's where everybody will start going mad. You know? So you're going to go mad for your picking and getting taken from you. You're going to go mad because it's locked down, you're stuck in your house. You're going to go mad because it's cold. You're going to go mad because you now get no money. You know, there's so much that is going to come. So, candles and all them things, if them take down the electric or the electric companies shut down, who are going to send you electric? You can't watch TV and them things. Who are going to send you electric? Or gas. You understand? So, brother, my people is deep still, you know, we just have to wake up. You see me, I'm always a plan B man, that's the thing. From a long time, I'm always, you know, I don't watch just one thing and think, yeah, you know when they try to put all your eggs in different baskets, that's the way of life, you know. Yeah. You can't just, even if you don't believe, my people, even if you don't believe, yeah, that this is going to come in your time, brother, it's here already, and they're moving it, they're working it, they're pushing it. Yeah, so you need to move yourself, work yourself, and work, and just know, say, you're ready, just in case it happens. If it happens, what do you do? And this is where it bothers me. Enough man say, me now go take it, but deep down, you know, I tell you,
people deep down, people start running go Africa.
Brother, you won't go Africa, you even make it worse for yourself. Because you see what them, the Africa now, the military now, is on Bill Gates is controlling all of them. Do you know what he's doing?
Not to the like the forest them and all of them thing there, is it? Yeah, like to the forest them and all of them thing there, is it? Because Africa, you have more playground there.
No, they got more space, but watch this now. They've got guerrilla fighters, brother. You know what he's doing? He's paying the top military, the top police, the top doctors, the top scientists, and he's paying them so good that they just keep their stuff in check of anything he wants done. So don't forget, the military, the police, the ambulance, none of them don't know what are going on. It's the top guys, like the head nurses and all. It's all the top people that are on the compensation list for every person put in. You get me? They get the big money every time someone dies, and rare. So they're obligated, and they want money. They're obligated to doing a job in a different way, a new protocol. There's obviously the elite telling them what to do, and they do it. You understand? Without asking, when someone puts 20 million in your account to just follow what I tell you, make sure your staff does this. Make sure your staff goes to this area and injects 100,000 people. Make sure and do it quick and do it fast. Why? And you know what it is? The military in Africa is only Ghana right now that I think they're seeing a difference. So you might think, in Ghana they're not under no lockdown because they don't believe in this crap and all this shit. You understand?
Yeah.
But a lot of other African countries, they're controlled. Like the soldiers will come after you and lick you down because their general told them, them people there, they're on the run, go for them and lick them down. Don't even talk, because the Africans and Jamaicans, they don't even talk. You see how it goes. Once they've been given orders to eliminate people, they're coming out to eliminate you. That's the orders they're given.
Yeah.
You understand?
I really think
in a way, England is more or less a safer place, but in the middle of we're trapped. But all we can do is by unity and getting together, we've got loads of intelligent people that can form alliance and can form more ways. But don't forget, even if they use computer, we've got whiz kids out there. Yeah, we've got forces out there that know about computers. We can damage them so much as a collective. When everybody comes together and everybody goes, you know what, I'm an IT, I work with IT. I used to work for AI, I used to work for, so you've got artificial intelligence, we've got lawyers, we've got doctors. This is what people have to really regroup and come around. The real ones especially, the ones that say this is a joke. Come round, put it together, and then you got a platform on how to defeat them. Like there's that, I don't know if you saw that advert, I've forgotten the white woman, she's got a thing in Trafalgar Square on the 29th, I've forgotten her name. The white British woman, and she's got a mixed race youth. I think she's with a black guy. And she's been burning fire on them all through. She used to be an old nurse. It's been going around still.
Oh, yeah. We must see that one day. In the red shirt one time. Wet blows.
I love that. I love the woman. The woman's on point. And this is what I'm trying to say. A lot of Caucasians, they're actually blessed. We can't say all of them are bad. Like, in any race, you can't just take the little minority that calls you N-words and then judge them. And black man's not like that. We don't take one bad experience from a Caucasian and label all of them the same, because we've got Caucasian friends and we know they're not all the same. But you can't talk for another race. They will see a set of black boys do something and Phil says all black boys that do that. You know what I'm saying? So I would say, you see that woman there, she's well awoken. And look, she's a white woman, and our own some of our black women ain't got a bar. Ain't got a clue. You understand?
Yeah.
Exactly what's going on. And we need more people like that with their eyes open. Because she's talking it and she sees it. She worked there, she see what they're keeping up. She wasn't happy with it. You understand? She's fighting them. She's saying all the soldiers, all the policemen, you should be ashamed of yourselves. You better tell us what side you're on. Because when the time comes, we're more than you guys. When we revolt, and that's what I'm trying to say, when people are together, the government, the army will see their own families are with us. All you're gonna do is go and shoot your own families. The government's saying go and shoot them. Who am I shooting? I'm shooting my own brothers and my own sisters. How can I do that? You know, people from their own towns will be stepping out saying, no, we're not on it. And the government tells the soldiers go and shoot them, or the police guys go and do this. They can't do things like that to their own people. So they will know that this government they're working for ain't right in their brain. You know, unless they make cloned soldiers or cloned policemen, or maybe bring the Chinese army in to deal with us. But then they ain't got no links with no one in Britain. So if they have to lick man down, they will lick everyone down. You get me, car? They're not from here. You understand? But once we're all together, they can't. And if you see the way she said it, we're more than you. You lot better tell us what side you're on. Because when we do come, you're gonna be tried like the rest of them. Yeah. So if you work in a police force that knows what's going on, come out of it. If you work for a soldier, come out of it. Join us, because you have to make up your mind. And it's true. That's the wise thing to say. All these nurses that know where I'm going, step out. So you know date again. All these health workers.
Yeah, because I know you say government them work for what? You have to make them know, say, yo, it's like who they behind the government, you know what I mean? And those person you're working for.
Yeah. They're meant to be intelligent. They've all gone uni and all them things. That's why I said enough people they go uni, they've been programmed so much, like they ain't got no common sense. They only got sense for what they're being taught. That's all they know. What they've been told and what they've been taught. But naturalistic things, they can't get on your level. And probably that's why they don't see certain things that way. But this woman made it out clear, like, yeah, you know what? If you lot don't step out and talk, all of you will be condemned with them.
Yeah.
And she's got some Trafalgar Square on the 29th. So people, anybody that wants to go out and just like the woman, because I'm in country, so I can't really, but if I could, I'll go down there. So I respect the woman, you know.
What's your one?
I respect the woman, the white woman. She was talking about everything is lies. You don't need the mask. You don't need that. You don't need sheep.
When she had it on there?
On the 29th of this month. I think it's next week.
Okay. When in the next week? Well, Friday, Saturday?
Friday or Saturday. The 29th. I think it falls on a Saturday in Trafalgar Square.
Okay.
Kitchen. Yeah, man. The woman sharp, man. The woman sharp, man.
Yeah.
You just tell people answers. You get me, like, yeah. You need to.
Is that Saturday, huh?
Yeah. It's good to go out there. You can get some footage out there. I interview certain people for your thing. You get me?
Yeah, man.
You know?
For real, man. So,
ask them what they think on anything. It's the next thing. You can be a new media thing. You know, when something's going on, you just go there and get your own footage and, you know, talk to one or two people and ask them what they think, and just put that on your local session and make people see what I'm going there. Like, you're your own media, innit?
Yeah.
But we can't trust the media. We have to be our own media, innit? And get footage, and that's what makes you big. People want to see that, and that just goes viral.
Yeah.
Those are the kind of things. Man, if you even see her, you can get a one interview with her. But nothing to know,
interview thing, big brother. A movement thing with the pan, man. I had to have a man.
Yeah, but me say I look a clip, you know, just see the woman, you know, and she put in a little couple words in her thing, and you just keep her moving to her next thing, and you know, it builds up the little, you know, your video.
Yeah, man. But you know, say once we go down there, man, you know, me always I put up a little one tree, you know what I mean? But yo, big brother, me about 11 o'clock now, and about 2.5 hours we are run this thing, you know. You see it show up on the live, you see? Yeah.
Alright, then.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So if I anything, man, I give thanks for your popping and thing, and you know what I mean. Yeah, man.
Alright. The mother called me.
Eh?
The mother called me. Yeah, respect family tree.
Yeah, man. I love big brother, man.
Alright.
You know. Yeah, European. Go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, family. So European did blaze some fire, and we give thanks for the enlightenment and the unity, and you know, say we are dealing with unity and progress. I'm not gonna really stay too long now. Just to go say alright, you know what? It's a evening. Yeah, so YouTube supposed to, you know what I mean? They on fire see me, you know what I mean? Alright, so love goes out, yeah? Alright, I'm out, family. Yeah, man. Inbox me, get my number, and we pull together. I'm out.